Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to activate Spaylater in Shopee. So first is you just have to open your Shopee application and then you just have to sign up for an account. And now right here, just click on the Me option at the bottom right of your screen and then click on the Spaylater. That's right. Okay, so right here, we just have to activate the SPay later. Okay, so for step one, we have to apply and get approved in minutes. So you have to choose SPay later as your payment option on your next checkout. Next is to select the preferred monthly repayment plan to complete your order. So just have to click on the activate now option at the bottom. That's right. And then right here, you have to type out your phone number. Okay, so I'm just going to choose SMS for this one. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then I just have to click on next. And right here, you have to upload your ID. So this is for the photo instructions. And then after uploading your photo ID is you have to proceed to the additional information. Okay, so for the additional information, you have to type out your details, your address. Then after that, you have to wait for the identity verification. So it will get notified when your escalator is being approved here on Shopee. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.